Beauty, and today we are going to be reviewing about the face contour kit in Matte Drama by Luscious Cosmetics. Here you can see on the back of the contour kit that it's manufactured in Taiwan, but it's distributed by Luscious Group based in LA, and you can just see that there are four kinds of uh, boxes, two kinds of contours, and a highlighter and a cream luminizer. So let's open it and see what we have got inside. These two basically this one and this one. These two are basically the contour shades, but this is a luminizer, and it could be used as a highlighter as well. And you can just find the details on my blog. And this one is a matte highlighter. This one, okay, all right. So let me show you that what we have got inside, and then I can do a swatch for you. So this is the guide to gorgeous. That's basically a description about these four kinds of two kinds of contour shades and a highlighter and a luminizer. You can just see, and then on the back of it, it's basically, wait a sec, it's basically how to do contouring on a round, square, heart, or oval shaped face. Alright, so this is how I think it's a very good thing. It's a very, for people, for beginners, this is a very good thing. You can just use it to contour the way you want it. So now I'm going to do a swatch, and let's see how it turns out to be. So I'll take up, this is a plastic thing, a plastic sheet, and I'm gonna take it up and just put it over here. And on this finger, I'm gonna be using the dark one. Okay, that's the highlighter. Alright. Wait a second. It's a cream luminizer. You can just see. It's pretty pigmented. Yeah. But this one, I think it's like a cakey, powdery thing, and you can just read it on the blog, and you can just see it on the picture that it turns out as a very powdery thing. And I'm going to do a swatch on the hand, and I'll show you. So, nothing happened. Let's go again. Oh. The third one. It's very powdery, as you can just see. कुछ भी नहीं है इसके अंदर. This is the thing that I like the most, along with the dark draw. The luminizer. Yeah. So you can just see that the thing that just suits most on the brown skin tone particularly is the diagrama and the cream luminizer. The medium one could be used as a bronzer, but it's very subtle. It's like hardly noticeable. And the most disappointing thing about this palette is the matte highlighter. It's too, just like a face powder. It's too cakey, not according to my liking. So that's about it. So I hope you liked the review, and I hope that the love's gonna keep coming, and you're gonna follow me. So just thank you. You can just read the full blog on Luscious Beauty, and I hope you like it. I love you. Bye.